In this video, I'm going to show how we can showcase a project using GitHub. For that, we will have to create a new repository. So here, we can choose the owner. So it's me basically. So I have choose my profile, and then we can choose a repository name. It can be, say, example project showcase, for example. And then we can also add a description if we want. So something like that, vision-based environment mapping, or something that describes the project. And then for the visibility, we can choose public or private. We choose public because we want it to be accessible by everyone. And then we also turn the readme button, and then create the repository. So it's going to create a repository. And here we have a default repository with the readme, and there is no other file other than the readme file. So here under the add file section, section, we can upload files. So we can choose this from our computer. So say these are the 3 files that we want to upload. So the first one is the code, the Python code, which is written in Spider IDE, and then there are 2 images. So we import all of this, and then under this at the bottom we have commit changes. We press on commit changes, and this is gonna upload all the files. And right now we have these 3 files: map example1, map example2, and this final project, which is the Python file. And we have the readme file as well. So here, this is it's important to check everything. So say for the first one, this is a Python code basically. That's why the we have pi at the end. And if we check this, we can see this is the code is here. So the code is written here. So this is good, and we can also check directly from here. So map example1, this is showing the picture, the image, and also here showing the another picture. And so here the purpose of the readme file is to explain how to utilize the code and what is the project is all about. So I have already this well written, so I'm gonna copy and paste. As this video is not focused on how to write a readme file, so I'm not gonna explain that. I'm just gonna copy and paste, and gonna explain that in another video. Yeah, so after that we commit changes. This is gonna commit change. Yeah, we want to commit the change. And right now this is it. If we go to the example project homepage, we have this, and we have the explanation. Okay, this project is all about vision-based environment mapping and RRT star path planning. And so I have a small description, and then how to run the code. This is very important. We need to write down the procedure, how we do that. For example, I have written a clear instruction. First, you have to download or clone the repository, and then next, the repository should have this following 3 files. Then we have to open our Spider IDE, and then open the code, and then run the script. What does a successful run mean? It means that there will be a grayscale image, there will be binary occupancy grid, and the RRT tree, and final optimal path. These are the descriptions. So like this, we can explain the overall project and how how we design this project, and what we are trying to express to this project, or what are the deliverables. Everything together can be put together to explain what this project is all about. And finally, when this is done, we have this project already uploaded. So this link can be shared with anyone. So basically, that's the reason why we chose this repository to be public in the first place. And so as we shared this with share this, and we can also put it as a hyperlink in our resume or CV. And when this is pressed, it will bring us to this page, and they can access to this. And the next step is, as I have written in this, how to run this code section. So they have to download the repository. So the downloading portion is very critical, because they would want to know how this project actually work. Even though there is a README file, this might show what the description or the deliverables of the project, but definitely they would want to run it. So for that, they need to download the zip file. So when I press on this is going to download it, and I go to the download page and say I unzip this file. So if I unzip, this is going to be extracted, and we're going to have this new folder where we have this two images. We have the README file, and we have the Python project as well. So so basically it's nothing but if we press on this, this will open, or we can alternatively also open this from here. Yeah. So, and then next, if we want to run it, we press on run. Yeah, and this is successfully running the algorithm and showing an optimal path of the robot. That is what we wanted to achieve through this project. And when we are downloading it, we are still being able to check this or test this. So that's why we can confirm that our files have been successfully uploaded in GitHub repository. We can check with the other image as well. So we have two images. One image we have tested. We can test with another one. This is also showing this is working, and yeah, it's also getting an optimal path. And so that's how we have been able to upload our project, all the files together. And then after that, when we have the README file, this enable the reader to understand the code section by section, and also the purpose and the deliverable. And while through downloading the zip file, they can check and test the project and get the desired output.